Hi, this is Bill Tainter doing a market review for Friday, January 6th. We had non-farm payroll today, and the news came out, 200,000, expected was 150, revised from last month. When you see the little star there, it means revised. So it was 100,000 minus. So it was good news. It went up, and the unemployment rate went down. So that's really good U.S. news. Now let me show you a couple of chart shots here. Now I have a 5-minute and a 30-minute just to dive in a little bit here and see what's going on. And so here on the left, you'll see is a red cluster. We've been watching this level, 27.68 on the euro dollar is a big level. Notice the thermal grids. You got gray, black, red. Gray is minor, black is strong, red is strongest. And look at how price held. The news came out, it was positive U.S. news, which should plunge the euro-US dollar down. Okay, so if you zoom in here, you can see that this broke below this red thermal grid, closed, and at that point I activated a sell limit here, and it went right up, touched it, and dropped. And there's the pips that we pulled off. And this is in my live account. While I'm running the non-farm payroll event, we were demonstrating software. We did a bunch of scalping and stuff. It was crazy. But on the side, I had this running. Very strong setup trade. So I took it. Now this is what it looks like on a 30-minute. Supported, and then just one news candle. In the news, it opened, went a little bit higher, and then plunged, plunged, and then when it started to float back up, look at that, it went right back up to that level. To the pip, stopped 27.85 the next day, which is Sunday night, Monday morning London time. Wow, came right back to that point. So let's take a look at another trade I got, was the Swissy, and I love that Swissy. Now look at this. I got in at 95.39. Do you see the low of this candle? 95.38. Wow, that's nailing the entry. So again, here it is, resist. The news on the U.S. is good, so it powers up. And when it comes down, I'm watching it here for an interaction. When it closed below there, I parked this guy high, 95.39. See, 34, I added 5 pips to 39. Look at that. Pow, it squeezed down, touched me in by 1 pip and exploded profitable. Exciting, pulled off 22. I shut them both down in this area. I knew it was going to struggle here, so I took them both off. Sure enough, it chopped and got the next day. Now on a 5-minute, no, sorry, that was 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Let's look at a 30-minute. Same kind of thing here. See how it's resistance, bigger picture. The 30-minute news, it just powers up. That's fine. We know it's headed up, so I just wait for a deep retrace, buy it. So I love buying on red candles. You see that? Again, if you do not have these thermal grids, you don't know how to trade in these big news events. And I'm gonna share a little nugget with you. Okay, don't tell anybody this, but I was talking to another guy that trades news specifically, and he's not trading non-farm payroll because he doesn't know what it's going to do. So I'll tell you what, we confidently trade this because we have these thermal grids, and look at how it's respected. So the thermal price grids with Fast Track Trader are extremely valuable. So this again, Friday, January 6th, non-farm payroll, a couple of live trades we took just off the euro and the Swissy because we know where the thermal grids are. All right, see you tomorrow.